I said, hold on, I need a YouTube thumbnail if you don't mind.
No, they want y'all in it.
Yeah, but y'all in.
This is good.
I'm on Snapchat enough, yeah.
I ain't Snapchatting. I'm a YouTube.
It's just a thumbnail.
I got it. Alrighty, guys and gals. We are heading over to that hoarder collection house, whatever you want to call it, from yesterday. See what we can find. And then we're going over to an estate sale and see what they got, maybe. So, yeah. If y'all new to my channel, my name is Colton. I'm a full-time reseller. I sell online on platforms such as eBay, Amazon, Poshmark. So y'all come with us. Let's go see what we can find.
Six. There's those 2 rows and those 4 tubs.
Oh, cool.
There's 114 pieces, and the mountain alone was $89.99.
Wow.
That ski mountain, and the one next to it's $79. But I don't know if he give you a price, but I told him bottom dollar $300 on all of it.
$300 on all of it.
And I got all the Christmas stuff, and I got Christmas stuff, and I got Christmas stuff, and that's gonna be the hardest thing to get rid of. Okay. Now see, this is Hawthorne here. It's a different. We have a whole truckload of jars we want to give away. Canning jars. We have books we want to give away. It's like pickup truckloads. They're all over here, but there's, romance novels. All these boxes right here are books. All the way back over to here.
Wow.
But there's a lot of resellable, paperbacks, and then there's older, like your encyclopedias, kids' books and stuff. But we want somebody to just come and get them if they want them,
Yeah, no kidding.
We have jars.
What about these little action figures?
Huh? What about that box?
I don't know. You might have to, I don't want to be smarty, but you might have to smell a lot of them. I've been having to throw a lot of the cloth stuff away.
Okay.
You can see what's in them. Yeah, Robin's in there. But it's your cloth, like the teddy bears.
Uh-huh. What do they smell like?
Well, I threw away a lot of cloth. You know how linens get.
Yeah.
There's a whole tub of them I had around here. Yeah, they get kind of musty.
It's just from storage.
Mr. T.
It's a church.
But see, a lot of it does they even say lighted on the box? It's got the official paperwork. Isn't that sweet?
Yeah, I don't know. That box is kind of gone.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I don't know how many years and stuff.
I'm gonna buy this. I'm gonna go ahead and pay you for them. I'm gonna keep looking.
There'll be some more. These are different over there, I think. I don't know if there's 2 or 3. You'll have to look up behind that elf up there.
What about them church hymnals?
What? The church hymnals.
Are those for sale?
Everything's
Those books right there.
Oh, these?
Yeah.
I don't know, probably $2 for all 4.
Okay.
Got 2 alike.
Yeah, I'll get them too.
Well, if you want to, you can just come over here and look.
I will. 4, so that's 7. Might be.
Do you need this 19-piece thing?
Nah, I don't need that.
Good, let's add that to our stack.
There's these 2 and then those 2 right there.
How about $2 for all of them?
I'll take them.
Now, you don't care if they're ceramic or whatever?
No, I don't. I'm just going to set them on my mantle.
There's empty tubs if you need an empty tub. If you want to dig one out, we'll take him down there and plug them in. Yeah, she even had all new Christmas lights. And all this tinsel I'll probably end up having to throw away. That's what's in these big tubs.
Uh-huh.
Because as it degrades, some of it when you shake it, whenever you check it out, I've got to get that done. Here, let me squeeze by y'all. Oh my God.
There's the giggles right there.
That's not even.
I've got boxes that I haven't even been to.
Well, this is all like.
Well, if y'all want to look around and get it, eat.
How much for like each box of Barbie clothes?
Probably kidding. Do you want these to go with your hymnals?
Sure.
39. That's just magazines.
If it gets warmer, I'll get up there. It seems like I don't have no help. I gotta see if he can use this one.
They make those bags that you can buy. You can get them at Walmart. I think you can get them at Lowe's. They're the waste management bags.
Yeah.
You set them on the side of the road and you call them and they come pick it up.
Huh, I didn't know that. Like I say,
No,
a lot of
I
them.
think it's like $10 a bag or something, but it's worth. I mean, it's
Yeah.
about.
I need
that big.
$10 for them.
All of them.
Yeah, I'll do that. That's neat.
But if you can eject it without that, but it's got just a regular black record in it, and it just
It's kind of like the laser disc almost, but
yeah. See, they
different.
come out with that next.
Yeah,
Then they went to the VHS.
it's kind of like a laser disc inside of a.
Yeah, the
hard-
record player. I call it a record player. It's got a.
How much is that?
No,
10, so it's 5. Yeah, we'll grab that. Muscle. What is this thing? Muscle minder.
Yeah, alright. It's all sealed.
I need a bag.
They should make you down the whole box.
I don't want the whole box.
We'll get out what you want.
Let me get a bag. Thanks, I do. Get in there. Get in there. All this for under the counter radio. But it's cool, I'm gonna show you. Alright, so here's our haul we got. We got all this stuff, that over there today. And we was mainly out in the shed today, so I didn't get a whole lot of great footage, but I got some. Got all these. These are these RCA video discs. I don't know if any of them work or not. I don't know how to test them. I'm just going to sell them as is. I'll clean them up with a magic eraser. But I got this whole stack of them for $10. And there's some pretty good ones in here, I think, title-wise. Some Star Wars. More Richard Pryor. I don't know. We got this whole stack, as you can see them all there, for $10. Here's some hymnals.
They're kind of strobe.
Yeah, I got 4 hymnals.
What you doing these?
Plus them 2 little, some other books, I don't even know. Got those. And then we got 3 of these. New old stock. Some kind of plug-in things for Christmas lights from 1998. So, yeah. And then we got these, which are the 12 Days of Christmas glasses. Spin it around. That's 4th day, a partridge in a pear tree. So I mean they're all in there. So got those. And then yeah, you can see them there. And then we got all these Hawthorne pieces. I'm probably not gonna sell them with the boxes. The boxes are rough.
One of them messed up.
But these are like brand new in here, like never displayed.
Yeah, this is box broke.
So she'll show you these. We'll just keep the styrofoam and pack them in the styrofoam. This is the Atlanta church. They got all their little papers. We'll have to clean all that up. They dead bugs in it. See, like that. They're lighted. They wanted too much for that Department 56 stuff for me because it was real dirty. But this stuff, I mean, it'll be easy. We'll just clean up the papers, the styrofoam, and sell them without the boxes. So, I mean, that's alright. Well, there's a bunch in here. Let's see.
There's 19.
19 of them in here. Picked up these just random figures. I think that's a Star Trek guy right there. I don't know. This whole barrel, I think this whole barrel up, it's got like this robin. I mean, I don't even know what all's in here. Here's a Mr. T. So, I mean, ain't no telling what's in there. No telling. There's a small soldiers guy, whatever his name was. So, we got all that stuff. We'll go through that later. Those things, carolers. Yeah, them are for my wife to keep. Oh, and she got some garland too. As we were leaving, walking through the house, I spotted this box of cameras. It was buried, so we unburied them, and it's just full. Like, this is all digital camera stuff. This one is all film camera. There's a bunch of Polaroids. There's this Polaroid. It's brand new, never used. Still in a plastic. One's 600 Ultra. I mean, just cram packed full of all kinds of cameras. More Polaroids. More Polaroids. I mean,
This one is not a Polaroid though. It is.
a Spectra. Polaroid Spectra.
I guess it is. Where's some tape?
And then this is all like digital stuff. Good old handy cam. This thing. Something, another digital camera.
That's an empty box.
There's like this little JVC. So there's all kinds of cameras in these.
There's a Sony one. That's got two of that.
There's a
one.
Sony. There's two different ones in here.
It's the same one, just
I mean, just all kinds of camera stuff. So we got all that. And undoubtedly, you used to get foam through USPS.com. So she gave me these 2 rolls of foam. Just like padding. See that?
somebody busted open.
Yeah. So we got that. This is just old ornaments.
It's a leather reindeer.
Like there's reindeer. Here's one of the old dwarfs.
There's some more drawers.
So just some little odds and end ornaments. This is old Barbie clothes, all vintage. And Barbie clothes usually do pretty good. And this thing is just jam packed with clothes. There's a bunch of little hangers. So we're gonna go through all that and see what all we got here. Little postcards or something. Ain't no telling what's in these boxes. And it's just a box of Christmas lights.
Brand new.
Yeah, they're all new. So yeah, we'll go through this stuff more in depth as we get it out and clean it. And if we find anything great in here, we'll let you know. But yeah, that's what everything we picked up there. So yeah, paid $200. So we'll see. I paid $80 for those 2 boxes of cameras. I figured they were worth it. Alright, so as y'all seen, we was at an estate sale. I couldn't get a lot of footage there because it was crazy and I was grabbing and running and grabbing and running. So let me show y'all everything we got. Got this Sony under the sink right here, under the counter. I said under the sink. Why would you put that under your sink? Under the counter. Let's see what model number it is. ICF CD513. Paid $5 for it after I had to take that thing down. Excellent condition though. We'll clean it up a little bit. So got that. Got this little thing here. Keyboard, mouse, webcam. Anyways, got that. Paid $5 for that. Got this extra large big button Radio Shack phone for $3. Got me a bell. Telephone bell. Radio Shack, indoor outdoor. Yeah, I paid $5 for it. Let's see what it looks like. I didn't look at it. Man, that thing is brand new. Ain't never been used.
Well, it's not ringing.
I don't know how it works, but we got it. Excellent condition. Outdoor bell.
Owner's manual.
Woo! You think it'll sound like that? Or will it go ding 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 ding?
More like that. Like Mr. Rogers trying.
Just leave it out the box. I'm gonna list it. Right, motivational list, because we ain't putting it back in there. Picked up this JVC, this Technics, and this other JVC. This is a XLV118 compact disc player. This is a Technics SA-EX110, and this is a JVC TD-W309. Paid $5 a piece for them, and they're dusty, but other than that, they clean. We'll clean them up. Don't know what they're worth. Picked up this Sony VOR micro cassette voice recorder, model number M-570V, and this was free. She gave this to me because I bought all this other stuff, so that was free. What we're gonna do with that, hopefully, let me see.
I know where they're at.
She knows where they're at. That's good. And that stuff we bought at that other house had some of these, guess what, micro cassettes, mini DV. Will that fit in them?
I think so.
I don't know. If these fit in that, we're gonna put these in there. I don't know if these are for that or not. I don't know. We're gonna look. Recording. I think that's for a recorder, like a camera. I don't know. We'll see. But maybe not. I don't know. We'll see. But if not, we'll just sell it as it is. So, I don't think that goes to that. May go to it.
Plastic cases, the discs are small.
It's not a disc, it's a cassette. Picked this up for $5. Kodak Canon PowerShot A75. Excellent condition. And it's got some stuff in here with it. Why is somebody gonna put tweezers in here?
Be careful. Just fill those in the trash can.
Well, they may be used for it.
No.
And then we picked up some air fresheners for the building, because bringing in all this stinky stuff making it stink in here. So, Baker's Best Crepe. Is that crepe or creep? Away hydrating cream. Got a bunch of this stuff.
Those two are the other ones.
This is something, neck firming tightening cream. Age spot.
Intensive night.
Arthritis. Intensive night.
That's more than
Crepe away.
And then there's that one.
And then this thing. Paid $1 a piece for them. I mean, they're all new sealed, so I don't know.
And in date.
Yeah, and in date, except for 2 of them. So yeah, that's everything we picked up at that estate sale, which I thought was pretty good.
It was only
$58. $58 for it. So. Oh, and we got them things right here. This something other. This something other. I don't think we can.
makeup remover.
I don't think we can list that because it's been used. And
That's
then,
for us here.
yeah, wax burner. So, as y'all seen, the police was called to us at that estate sale for blocking the road. I said, I wasn't blocking the road. I was blocking half the road. I was in my lane.
There wasn't nowhere else to park.
I was in my lane. No, they were cool. They were just coming down there to
See why the road
give me a
was blocked.
ticket. But they didn't. I got in my car and left.
They weren't gonna give you a ticket.
Anyways, hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button for me. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel. And we're going to see you guys and gals next time.